Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two Linux distro platforms, which is Pop! OS and Fedora. So let's quickly dive into it to help you decide which of the distro would be a better choice for you. So Pop! OS is a sleek, autonomy-based distro tailored for productivity, coding, and gaming. It's tailoring window management, hybrid GPU support, and a clean interface which make it beginner-friendly yet powerful for advanced users. The catch is that it's tied to System 76 ecosystem with update depending heavily on their roadmap. Some users may find it less customizable compared to a vanilla distro. Talking about Fedora, meanwhile, is the cutting edge of Linux, offering the latest GNOME kernel and the developer tools almost as soon as they release it. It's stable for most use cases, but its rapid update cycle can introduce breaking changes, and it may require more tweaking for gaming or proprietary drives. So in conclusion, Pop! OS is still better for those wanting a published plug and play experience, while Fedora is ideal for users who want the newest tech and don't mind a hand-on approach. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.